When you are entering, good enough for all of us, for all of you, so between ourselves and yourselves, and we hope that patiently we are, that when we are making all these assessments, even what we do as counselors is actually assessed at the time when also government is geared. So, but by and large, 8 billion shillings. You are coming at a time that's for money for salaries, and we are also heavily recruited all of them. I don't have an active person as a head of the department. You are coming at the last year for the whole of Uganda, you know we are the 8th in the whole country. Our last born just died yesterday. Yeah, we are unfortunate, but that's life. I know
it is such a very, very important induction. One of
the communities that are within the area. Our other challenge was about substandard schools and health. Masaka City was to learn issues relating to revenue, street parking, how we developed it, and how we managed it to ensure that we felt that the purposes of either improving the revenues and having a well-planned city.
Permit me to say protocol observed. I am Kawana Robert. We don't have time to invite the mayor who's sitting next to you, to invite you. For the minister to spare me, please. We have got facilitation training from us and oversight on a number of issues. They have given us
organization works. I want to thank them so much. And then leadership development.
Opposition leaders in NUP, in FDC, in WER, in DF are being implicated in theft of billions of money. So, and I told my friend Zake that, as you say, Museveni twagala action. Know that action is coming for some of your own. I said I want you to ask for the action, but when it comes, don't politicize it. Don't say, no, these ones are being taken because of politics. All of them were not free of that taint. You can even be close to a corrupt person and tell them that I won't be part of your corruption, in as much as I know you as a friend or as a friend. So leaders, we need to do better. And now the president directed that all ministries are going to be investigated. Everybody, whether tourism, whether national guidance, whether minister without portfolio, whether energy, and you can see what is happening in the Ministry of Works. Somebody changes the plan of the road. Every time realignment. What all these funny technical terms that they use. And just to change a plan, 600 more billion, 300 more billion. As councillors, let us do things the sober way. Give direction to the technical. Ask why and why not. Don't be intimidated. A councillor has a right, or a speaker or deputy speaker. I'm so glad the deputy speaker is a lady. Let's give her a hand clap. Or anybody, or a division mayor, or anybody. You have a right to whistle blow on your own. You don't have to do it through a council. You have a right to approach me and whistle blow on your own. Service is not about the political party. There's a certain man, Lugolo, the chairman LC1 on Rook ticket. He came and whistle blew somebody who was constructing in a gazetted area, first of all in a swamp, which swamp is even bordering an estate. He did his job as a chairman LC1. Okay, so there's a likelihood that you didn't get MA
comment from the general public. So when it comes to implementing that plan, you meet challenges. Why? Because people have not participated. People have not understood this that is being implemented. Why I use the example of Arua? If government was intentional, if me and you were intentional, me and you are talking about council, and me, the citizen, if we are very intentional, we would move and say, okay, let us allocate this money. Let us allocate this budget to implementing the fiscal development plan. How do we do it? This ward is still very virgin. How do we move it? Our plot is providing for a certain number of kilometers of roads in this ward. How can we move and open up these roads? If we had done that in Arua, in the 389 square kilometers, if we had done that 5 years ago, moved with the road equipment, with the all it takes, open all these roads. Remember that place is still what?
Towards the common good. Good leadership motivates people in the society you are leading to work hard towards the common good.
Studying here, we've learned our roles and obligations, and we are going to move in our lanes. The technocrats are going to exhibit their works in their lane, but also the politicians. Therefore, I pray as I pledge that let's go back and do the needful in our different and flex capacities, well minding about the people that we lead, who gave us the obligations to lead them and to cause genuine development in Mukono.
Because during these sessions of the training, that's when we can get to know which amendments have been made in the rules that we are using as council, the rules that we are using as the local government, so we can be able to work within the rules other than doing things out of the what? Out of the law. Because what we're all fighting for is rule of law. And to make sure that we always make lawful decisions in council so they can be implemented by the technical committee or technical team.
I want to commend the people of Mukono that if we adhere to how the physical planning is trying to organize Mukono as a municipality, we shall have a better city or a better municipality. I want to commend the facilitators for the good work well done. We have learnt a lot, and among them is the standard rules of procedures. Me as
councillors shouldn't wait the town clerk. Councillors shouldn't wait for the technical persons. But I think they should know the knowledge that they have received here through the induction that they have got here. It is going to help them to see that they monitor and supervise government monies, the PDM monies, to see that they serve the intended purpose, not waiting for the minister to come, not waiting the mayor to come, not waiting the IGG to come, but at least as the very first leaders who are responsible to see that the monies serve the intended purpose.
Sinti na kubasa wabula amateeka gatulagira tuteekwa kute oba oliwe NRM oba oliwe FDC oba NOCO oba DP oba biki oba toyina kibiina kitukakatako ffenna okugoberera enteekateeka za gavumenti n'okulaba nga situuka mu bantu. Kansala labirira omuluka, olabirira wodi, olabirira eggongolola, olabirira division. Faayo okulaba ng'abantu sente ze baleese z'abakyala, za BBM, z'abarestaurant, z'abamakanika, sente zitunda. Oba tuma omuntu okola ekyamazima ng'olaba akolaganya engali, approach me the minister, approach the senior minister Honorable Bala. Tetujje tukukwatire kuba. You have an open pass. Kansala yenna mu Uganda yonna oba division mayor oba mayor teweetaaga appointment. Jangu uzi ku ministry ye ministry era yini ministry tetukolera enguzi nnene nnyo era nga tonnayogera IGG nga tonnayogera simanyaani gwe wennyini omukulembeze gwe IGG w'ekitundu kyaso temukobaana na bali banguzi temubatya temubeegulako tekubakiina mubaleke mujje tubalwanise abantu kuzembe gwange
obuvunaanyizibwa bwaffe obw'enjawulo. Abakozi ba gavumenti kye balina okukola naffe abakulembeze okusobola okubanga emirimu gitambula, abantu bwe tuweereza okusobola okufunamu. Era wano munnabyabufuzi anaava oba mukulembeze n'asigala nga ali mu ntalo, oyo anaaba alina nsonga ze endala. Munnabyabufuzi anaava wano n'asigala nga byalina okutasiza mu kanso alina bijja bweru wa kanso yaffe, bwajja kuba nga atukoze bubi. Tubanguddwa enkola y'emirimu, emitendera giyitibwamu, era tulowooza tugenda kutambula mu mirembe nga buli omu amanyi ekkubo lyakwata abantu baffe okusobola okufunamu. Kyensuubiza Banamukono nti abakulembeze bannaffe
nnyo kubanga tusesetuse okuva mu kumanya kwe tulina ne twongerako, kubanga bino ebyobukulembeze okuyiga tekuggwaawo, kubanga ate n'ebitabo bituyambako mu kukola obukulembeze wabawo ebikyuka bye bayita amendments. Weesanga waliwo amateeka agakyuse tusaga kozesa kati ate kituwa okumanya tujja mu misomo nga gino ne batuyigiza ne batugamba netteeka lyakyuseemu liri lyakyuseemu.
Bwe tunagenda naki kye tuyize naddala mu physical planning tujja kuba n'ekibuga ekirungi ate ekyeyagaza. N'olwensonga eyo tukomawo okuteekesa mu nkola bye batuyigiriza ate n'okukolagana wamu ne bannaffe be tubadde nabo nga ba technical people wamu n'ekibiina oba ne bannaffe aba MDF.
Bulungi nnyo wafunyeyo akadde najja wano okutegeeza abakulembeze obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe. Kikoze bulungi kubanga abajjukiza obukunyo giteeka ku ssente ezijja eza parish development model. Ssente minisita ategeezeza nti gavumenti eweereza ssente nnyingi buli muluka, era obuvunaanyizibwa n'alaga nti abakulembeze baffe abasookerwako bakansala bakyapasoni b'ebyalo nabo bavunaanyizibwa kyenkali mu muluka gwogwo okulaba nga ssente mu muluka gwe ziweerezeddwa tezibulankanyizibwa. Emirimu gya gavumenti egikolebwa mu kitundu kyekyo okulaba nti bagikola okusinziira ku ngeri gye girina okukolebwamu, nti singa giba tegikolebwa bulungi omukulembeze oli wa ddembe okuyita mu makubo amatuufu okulaba nti emirimu gino gikolebwa.